So we had a little swim, went back, had some lunch. The buffet was really good, lots of choices.
San Miguel on tap in the restaurant.
Yeah, San Miguel on tap in the restaurant.
Help yourself.
Loads you can have to eat. And then we thought we'd just have a little stroll now into Punta Prima. It's about, I don't know, was it a mile or so? 20-minute walk. I don't know whether there's much there. We were just chatting to a couple.
Well, we're literally at the sign to the start of Punta Prima.
But apparently there's a few, couple of little supermarkets and a restaurant and a couple of bars or something. But I think in Mahon is where all the shops are, which is about a 30-minute car drive away. So we might venture up there. But I think there is a free shuttle bus down here every hour on the hour from the hotel. And I don't know whether they go to a couple of other places as well, but I'll find out. So we're just having a little stroll now, taking all the sights in. So, what do you reckon, Rankin?
Oh, yeah, it's super hot, super sunny, super quiet, super peaceful. No shops.
So, our hotel is in that direction. I'll show you it when we head back, and then we're just going down this road and coming into.
It's flat as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a pleasant stroll. It's not in any way demanding. You got like little things like that, but we don't know what it is, but it looks good. There's a lighthousey thing. It might not be a lighthouse, but it looks like one.
Looks like the U's missing off their sign.
There's a map there that shows the island there.
Where
So
are we?
down the bottom here,
Oh yeah.
Punta Prima, and it was the whole island. That square of that is that square there. So the whole island
Oh right.
is that. Ah, right, I see. So looking at that, the other hotel that I looked at was way up here. So yeah, it may well have been an hour and 40 minutes transfer to the other hotel.
There you go. We just found an ATM. Different languages. You can get it to press English if you want, and you can. Some banks will allow contactless, but ours didn't. We had to still put the card and the PIN number in. We were just
€3.95.
€3.95 to get 150 euros out. And then we got a sea view. Look at that lovely blue water. Palm trees. What more can you ask for, eh?
Actually, I want one of these in the car.
We just come into a little gift shop.
It's a lovely little gift shop. Yes, no, Mummy's got the ball. No, it's fine, Mummy's got the ball. No, you're still going to get it. Mummy's got it.
So we got down to the bottom where the beach was. There's a couple of little souvenir shops. And then
Ice creams.
yeah, ice creams. And then there's a few bars and a couple of supermarkets down here. Oh, no, little mooch.
Might even get your wibble on.
Ha!